Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis and today I will be unboxing and reviewing this LG 4K TV. The model is 43UQ75006LF. This is a model from 2022, so this is a recent model, and this is one good and cheap solution for the people that are working for a new 4K TV and doesn't want to spend a lot of money. So this model is available in my country for around 330 euros, and if you are in UK you can buy it for a little bit more, but I think this is a really good TV for the price and for what it delivers. Okay, so I will be leaving all the specs in the video description. I will also be leaving this LG link in the video description, and during the video it will be available on the bottom of the screen, the main specs passing through from right to left. Okay, so I will not be describing spec by spec on the video. I will give you my personal opinion about it and if I'm happy with this purchase. Okay, okay, let's get back to the unboxing. So inside the box we get the power cable and the feet that you will have to mount. There is a little bag with 2 screws, and we just get so take it out of the box, place it over a table. We have to remove this plastic, put it below the TV in order to protect the screen. So here we can see 2 of the HDMI connections. There are 3 available, and also the USB connection. There is only 1, and from here you can read movies and pictures and audios. Okay, here we have the LAN cable, the optical for audio. Here the model, an overview of the TV, so it's not really thin. So here are the screws, and the feet are really easy to mount. they only go in one way, so you cannot put the left one on the right or the right one on the left. Okay, just use a Phillips screwdriver and we are ready to start using the TV. Just plug the power and this is how it looks from the back. And let's have a look at the remote control. So we have 4 dedicated buttons for Netflix, etc. So Disney Plus, Prime and Roku 10. This remote control doesn't have a micro, so the TV, it's ready to work with the voice, but for that you will need another LG remote with a micro, and this one doesn't have one. Okay, so when you start the TV for the first time, it will start scanning for all the channels available. For this one in particular, I don't have channels. I will be using cable, so you just need to select the language, and if you have Wi-Fi, if you don't plug directly with the cable, just enter your Wi-Fi password, and then you have to agree with certain things in order to use the smart TV capabilities, and it will do a scan for the channels, and for me it will find 0 because I will be using the cable provider receiver, and then it's ready to start using. So we can peel this protection off and also this label, so don't forget this is a model from 2022, and this is how the system looks. So this is the LG Smart TV interface WebOS, and there are a lot of apps that you can install, and as you can see, you can install Spotify, Plex, IPTV. There are plenty of apps that you can install, but in my personal opinion, I will continue to use an HDMI stick from Xiaomi or from Amazon, because it's far better than this WebOS. Okay, but if you don't have one, it will be, for the first experience, it will be really nice. Okay, so it comes preloaded with several applications, as you can see. So Netflix, Roku 10, Prime Video, Disney Plus, HBO Max, YouTube, Apple TV, Discord, and it has also a web browser, and we can read files from the mass storage from USB. And so I downloaded a video, a 4K video from YouTube, and I converted it because it was in web extension. I converted to MP4, and it was not able to read it. It was able to read the web version, also MP3s was able to read really nice with no problems, but the video in MP4 and codec H.265 wasn't able to read it. Okay, so I didn't proceed with further testing because I'm not living in the house where this TV is, and when producing the video, this was the test I done before I came to my house. Okay, so let's play the video that I downloaded from YouTube, and it plays really well. This is 4K 60 frames per second, and the quality is really good. So okay, so I will now move just to see if the viewing angle changes the perception or the colors or something, but it works really nice. Okay, so yeah, so let's try now to read the one with the MP4. So as you can see, this one is extension is MP4, codec H.265, and cannot be recognized. I don't know why. So this was the problem I found. Also, the JPEGs wasn't able to open all the JPEGs that I put in the USB drive, and I cannot explain you why. Okay, so this is a quick overview over the settings. So there are several presets that we can change, and of course this is speeded up in order the video to be shorter. Okay, don't forget, if this video was useful for you in order for you to choose the right TV or the 4K TV you are looking for, if the things that you saw on the video was useful, don't forget to drop a like, consider to subscribe for new videos, and I catch you in a new one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.